So welcome to the official channel of Practice CSS. In this channel we will try to cover the CSS to its peak. What is actual CSS? Before starting video, I request you all guys to subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon so you never miss any update from my channel, and you can keep updated with my channel. So first thing, what is CSS is? CSS is used in front-end web designing. It is abbreviated as cascading style sheet. So to use CSS, you must have an editor, and there are a different editor known as Notepad++ and Sublime editor and Storm. There are abundance of editor, but what I prefer is Microsoft Visual Studio Code. So you can download it from the Google, and the link will be shown here. And if you are using the Windows, you can download it for Windows, and it is specified that you have to download for whether you have to download for 64-bit, whether you have to download for 32-bit. It's on you. You have to download a user installer, a system installer, or a zip file. It's on you. So after downloading the file, you have to open it. I have already downloaded before starting my video. So when you open it, you will see an user interface like this one. So all you need is to open the folder and just look at your folder. My folder is CSS, so I just look at it and I will select the folder. So it's my CSS folder, and as you can see, we can see the folder name right on the top. Now we have to, as we know that CSS is applied on HTML program. HTML is just a structure, and when we have to enhance the beauty of HTML program, we have to use a CSS with it. So the first thing, we have to create an index file, or the file you have to or the desired name you can give. I will go with index.html, and by pressing Shift+1, the IntelliSense of the Visual Studio Code will show some things like here, and it will show the options, and you have to just press enter. What's that mean? That it has performed the built-in. It has performed the built-in coding, and that derives that you don't need to write the initial lines. All the lines are being prepared by the Visual Studio Code editor. So from the title, I will write Practice CSS. And the basic tag you already know of CSS. And from here we have to go back and in the folder and we can explore it. We can open this one. So after opening this one, you can see there's index.html. So in the title bar we are having the option of Practice CSS. So there are three types of CSS: inline CSS, external CSS, and internal CSS. So in today's lecture we will cover inline CSS, and we will work on the colors. What is the color scheme? What does the background color means? What does the color text color means? So for heading, we have to put h1 as a heading, and here we can write hello world in heading. Okay, so it is HTML and it is auto saved, and when I click it will show me the hello world. So by using CSS, I just want to change its background color, the background color of hello world, and its text color too. So the need of the time is I just want to implement an inline CSS, and I just want to change the color as well as the background color of heading. So h1, and as it is inline CSS, so I can go with style is equal to color. Now you can understand that the color that mean that I am changing the text color. I am changing the text color. What will be the color of hello world? I am deriving that it should be aqua. Okay, the next thing is that by putting the semicolon, it will be separated, that you can add another attribute in the same line. So I have done an effort. I have just I have just derived the thing that the color of the text should be aqua, and the background color will be background color. Sorry, we have misspelled things. Background color will be, and I think the background color should be black. Okay, got it. Okay, now we move back and we have to refresh the page. So as you can see, the heading, the color of the heading is aqua, and the background color of the heading is black. So it is referred as inline CSS. We have implemented it on inline CSS. So if I just want to change the border color, the border color will be, as we can see, the hello world is starting from this end, and the finalized end is this one. Its flow is from left to right. So what if I want to change the border color? So I just want to write the border and colon. I have to write that what should be the width of the border. I am giving it as my border should be 2px, and what it should be solid or dotted. I am configuring that it should be solid, and now it is asking me that what should be the color of the border, and I am defining it that my border color should be red. So let's see if it is implemented or not. So as you can see that border color is also implemented, and all the work is done using inline CSS. So this was today's lecture, today's practice. I hope that you will like the video and you will practice CSS on your own. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any kind of update from my channel, and just leave your comments so I can read it and sort out your problem too.